This is no joke. People sitting in the car felt tremors as if the earthquake has rocked them. This is the metro banging. And these are the scenes at the airport. People have come out of the building, sitting on the ground, feared a natural calamity has struck. A very powerful earthquake rattled Myanmar, neighboring Thailand, and some parts of Yunnan province of China. According to the United States Geological Survey, a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar on Friday. The tremor, which hit around 12:50 p.m. local time, that is 6:20 GMT, caused roads to buckle in the capital, Naypyidaw, with tremors felt as far as India, China, and Thailand. The epicenter was located 16 kilometers northwest of Sagaing at a depth of 10 kilometers. In the Thai capital, a 30-story building under construction collapsed, trapping 43 workers. The massive building intended for government offices was reduced to a tangle of rubble and twisted metals in seconds. The building in the north of the Thai capital, now declared a disaster area, was reduced to a tangle of rubble and twisted metal in seconds after the quake. In Myanmar, 3 people have died after a mosque partially collapsed due to the earthquake. Myanmar's ruling junta made a rare request for international humanitarian aid and declared a state of emergency. The stock exchange of Thailand suspended all trading activities for the afternoon session after the strong earthquake struck. Mild tremors were also felt in Kolkata and Imphal, with residents in Kolkata reporting slight swaying of wall hanging. In Imphal, tremors caused panic, particularly in Thangal Bazaar, where many old multi-story buildings were located. A major hospital in the Myanmar capital, Naypyidaw, is a mass casualty area after the country was rocked by the earthquake. Amid his planned visit to Thailand and Sri Lanka, Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi extended his thoughts and prayers to the victims, reaffirming India's commitment to providing aid. Prime Minister Modi wrote, and I quote, "Concerned by the situation in the wake of earthquake in Myanmar and Thailand, praying for the safety and well-being of everyone, India stands ready to offer all possible assistance. In this regard, asked our authorities to be on standby. Also asked the MEA to remain in touch with the governments of Myanmar and Thailand."
No, that's not.
One clip shows an under-construction building collapsing in Bangkok's Chatuchak market, while another captures the iconic Ava Bridge that connects Myanmar's Ava and Sagaing regions falling. No tsunami alert has been issued so far. A strong aftershock of 6.4 magnitude struck Myanmar's Sagaing region just 12 minutes after the initial quake. According to National Center for Seismology, epicenter was located in latitude 21.93 north, longitude 96.07 east, at a depth of 10 kilometers. Tama hit 16 kilometers, 10 miles northwest of the city of Sagaing, at a depth of 10 kilometers around 12:50 p.m. local time. Shallow earthquakes like this one are more dangerous than deeper ones due to their greater energy release closer to the Earth's surface, causing stronger ground shaking and increased damage to structures and casualties compared to deeper earthquakes, which lose energy as they travel to the surface. 2019. Thus, it is evident that Myanmar is vulnerable to hazards with moderate and large magnitude earthquakes, including tsunami hazards, along its long coastline.